here tripping finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping finesse. You know it, you know. We out here tripping finesse, yeah.
Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to do a hairstyle on this failed wash and go. I'm going to turn it into 2 high puffs suggested by Dana, so let's see how it goes and hopefully she'll help me. Okay, so I'm parting my hair in 2 and I don't know how I'm going to get it in a puff because it's so shrunken. What is so now I'm just trying to stretch my hair out. It fit me from back way. I'm not waste my time, you know. I say I'm strong.
Yeah, this not
My ear never yet catch up so tight in my life. Jesus.
This is so cute.
Alright, pass me towel, make me dry out some of the water that I used to style it. So we're gonna add some gel. And I'm using Eco Styler gel because that's like the only gel I ever use. And I'm going to smooth down my root. Don't do this on dry hair. Don't use this to detangle your roots when your hair is dry. But I'm using a regular brush to smooth down the rest of my hair. My hair feel very healthy because I'm going to use the coconut oil and olive oil. You know how long I use them something there? I always try this hairstyle and it is always a fade.
This part is extra long. So even that around the base, so the puff don't look so lovely.
That's all like something like do itself. So I'm going to get the puffs out the way. This. What y'all look for? What?
The something way you just stick tight on your edges.
See it here, I'm have it. This is a look, isn't it?
It's an okay, but not the look I'm going for you.
I feel like the bun look better, but I'm gonna pull out this till like Sunday. No, after church Sunday. You can't do the swoop like some people like. Yes, Dana helping me get my soup on. You feel that? That is slip. So this is like one side done. I'm going to do the other side off camera. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Well, that was my joke. Okay guys, I don't know who that was. Anyway, so I'm finished curling both sides as you can see. These are the best hairstyle I ever did in my life. Thanks to Dana. So this hairstyle was really easy to do and you can wear it anywhere. Like, it's not just a basic casual hairstyle, but it can be. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm not kissing no cadena, so I'm not kiss too much. Bye guys.
No, put that in.
Yeah, Mama wear my glasses because I can't see.
You don't need to see.
I can't follow instructions.